I'm here representing Gavi, the Global Alliance for Vaccines, and I already had a very productive meeting with the Minister of Science, and I will have meetings with other distinguished members of the South African government. We come here to support the manufacturing of vaccines in South Africa. South Africa already has a hub, an important ecosystem for developing vaccines, and I believe that it has all the conditions to develop it further, so that next time there will be a pandemic, Africa will not be in the position that was last time during COVID. So I think that the investment in these matters is very important. We, Gavi, but also with the support of very important partners like the European Union or Germany or other countries, we are in fact investing massively for this to become a reality. And if the countries of Africa, and namely South Africa, that is in fact leading Africa in this matter, do their part, I think it's going to be a success story. Because, as I said during this meeting, there is nothing more important in the world than saving the lives of children. Nothing more important. Now, speaking not only as chair of Gavi, but as a father and a grandfather. And so we have a duty to these children. And unfortunately now we see that some development support is going down. And we need to recommit to this goal. Gavi is doing it, my organization is doing it, and I know that the South African government is such an important partner in this endeavor.